Hello everyone, thanks for joining me. Currently under me 300. It's the first bit of work I'm doing to it since the winter, so it's good to be back, to be honest. So what I've been doing is the reverse switch, and I thought, well, what tends to happen is the light will come on for the reverse and then it'll go off and then it'll come on and go off, so it's like intermittent. So I thought I'd have a look and see what is happening. I've got a massive exhaust in my face. A good job it's not hot. So yeah, I've just figured I bought a new switch for it and everything, but I've just had a look. Now let me show you. Okay, let me get the camera right. Alright, so here we are. You've got this over here is the neutral switch, and then this here is the reverse switch. And by the looks of things, it's shorted out. That may be the reason that it hasn't been working correctly. Now, as you can see, the wires have split, and I think what's been happening is they've been shorting out and arcing over. So I don't know if it'll be easier to fix this, because I can't seem to get my ratchet up and round there. If I can fix it, then that's amazing. All I'll do is just make sure them connections are up to scratch, the good connections, and then it should on paper work, but in reality you want to change it. Oh my god, where am I? Right, so here we are. At this moment in time, it's going to be nearly impossible to remove it. So what I'm going to do, and see if I can just, don't know if that's going to work. If you can see it, that is awesome. If not, I'm ever so sorry. I'm going to try and resoldering the. I'm trying resoldering it. So it's a really awkward position. I don't know how. Oh yeah, it's bad. It's just belting. Oh, I don't like this. So I've got the setting on quite high, as you can imagine. It's outside. Oh, if any solder actually falls on me, it's gonna. I'll need to move slightly. It doesn't seem to be sticking. Don't want to stick, which is really annoying. I don't actually know how bad it is. I just have to put shite loads on. I hope it catches. Okay. Seems to be alright. I'm going to change hands, which is going really near my head. Changing hands. That was really, really loud. Okay. So if you were expecting a really interesting video, instead you've got this video which is proving really difficult. Oh my gosh, burning things. Okay. Now, I like electrics, but solder falling. Okay, that's really hot. Oh my god, ow. This side ain't too bad, to be honest. I might go away with that. Ow. Holy crap, that's hot. Why is that connector hot? My god, I'm not even near it. And all I'm doing is melting plastic by the looks of things. Right, I think I need to test that. See if that's working right. Let me just renew the solder on these points as well. You never know, that could have been the problem. Ow. Ah! It's in the air! Oh my god, ow! Ah! Wow, that was really hot. And now my hand's stuck on something. My band is stuck. I don't know what it's stuck on. Ah! Shit. Ah, that burnt me. Wow! Okay, my band is stuck on something. How the hell have I got that stuck on there? Oh, no way. I'm gonna have to, like... Oh, there we go. Okay, so I burnt my hand. Let me get out from under the car. Wow. Yeah, just a bit of solder fell on it. Right, so I'm going to now test to see if the light is working.